Today we repair the RK25. We had an issue when doing our 50-hour service. You can watch the previous video that shows all the details right up here. So come along for the ride and we'll show you what we found, how to repair it, and how to prevent this from happening on your tractor. So here is the tube that we talked about in the previous video, and it is just a return tube for the hydraulic fluid back to the pump. And as I told you before, I thought that maybe I had cracked the weld on this metal tab, and that is in fact accurate. So there's a weld right here that holds this little tab on, and it is cracked there, which was allowing air to get into the system basically, and that's what caused the milky white coloring in the hydraulic fluid. So I just went ahead and ordered a new one and got a new one in. Unfortunately, with work, the rain, the crazy storms that we've had, I think we've had 2 tornado warnings in our area, and it's been way too long to get this repaired. Real King was really good about getting me the part. They did have to order it, but they got it to me right away. The part number is 118-153-03100GB. So got that in, and I'm just going to replace it. So we're going to get this thing hooked up and get this thing running again. Mr. Ray, go on. Okay, so here's the original one, and right here is the original bolt that was in it. And as you can see, it was just bolted directly to the frame, just like that. What I've decided to do, and this is a fix that I believe will help anybody if they wanted to do this step. So I got a longer bolt, and I just got a tank bolt washer. It's like a rubber washer for a toilet, believe it or not. And I'm going to put this little tab or little washer on here like this, and then I'm going to put it through here like that. I'll put another one. It's hard to do with one hand, folks. Like this. So I have some rubber there that will help to take some of the shock absorption. And then I got another washer on the back, just like that. So that's what I've decided to do to take out some of the vibration on this, and I believe it's going to help a lot. got the bolt in. Now I'm going to show you. You can see the washers on there, the rubber washer that I put on. I'm going to show you on the back side what I'm going to do also.
On the back side, I put a nut so that it can't back off.
We finally got the pipe on, so now we can go back and put new hydraulic fluid in it, fill it up, and get back to the oil change that we were working on just a little bit ago. Right here, I can't believe it only took that much after, but we may not have drained the whole system after pulling that pipe off. But you can see right here, it's right on the line. Okay, we're gonna start the tractor and see what we get. Right now, it looks good. Well, you saw how fast it went down. Gonna put more in. It's gonna be like a gold color. So.
All right. So it's just a little hole right here. That's a little with a red dot in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't want it to go any higher than the red dot.
All right. What's that string you said I need to lead it around?
80.
80.
What do you see?
Oh, stop. You want to go to the red dot? Sorry, I'm distracted. By the time I started, that won't be the red dot.
So after a little work, we got that pipe put back on, and now we got fluid in it. Everything is good. You saw where it's nice and clear the way it should be. Has a little gold tint to it, and there's no milky white. So that was the problem. So I showed you what the problem was and where to look for it. If you should have a milky white situation going on and you did not remove that bolt. I also showed you how to repair it if this does happen to you, and I also showed you how to prevent it from happening. Obviously the prevention is remove that bolt before taking anything off of the hydraulic suction screen, like that 90-degree elbow. So you want to remove that bolt to prevent this from happening. But I really think that this could also happen because it's directly bolted to the frame, and that is why I took these steps to put those rubber washers in between there to help keep some of the vibration down to prevent that from happening. Because I believe, after looking at this situation, I believe that that could cause it too over time. So this will help to prevent it if that was to be caused by vibration. So now we're going to get back to the 50-hour service and finishing up that process. As always, thank you for watching here at Gathering Rust Hobby Farm. Please like and subscribe if you got good information out of this. And we always appreciate you coming back and commenting down below.